Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type or how to insert books symbol in Word. So this is very easy to insert it or type it. So first you need to click on insert and this last option symbol and more symbols. Just click on it. So this type of screen will be open. So you need to font select this one. Then you can type this character code. So font select this one and type this character code 168. Simply type this character code and click on insert. So insert it and close it. So very easily you can type or insert books symbol in Word. You need to change the color also. So just select it and font color option will be shown. So click on this drop down and change it. Second way to change the color, firstly select it, click on home, font color option will be shown. So click on this drop down and change it. So very easily you can type or insert books symbol in Word and very easily color change. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.